Hello everyone, if you have Ford and you lost your radio code and your radio locked, this video for you. Now I will show you how I unlock it completely for free. Don't need pay any penny and it's just about few minutes job. Yeah. First we have to find serial number from this radio, exactly this model 6000 CD. For finding serial number we have to just press two buttons, but some another models you have to take off radio and look sticker on the bottom. But anyway, you can unlock if you have Ford. Yeah. Serial numbers start with V letter or M letter. Now I will show you how I found here. Press together two buttons, 6 and 1, and make sure you have pen with you or phone making screenshot this serial number because you have to remember it. Press code and now 6-1. That's it. And let's now waiting for serial number from this car. It's take about 30 seconds. This is my number. Yeah, I already write it. That's next step. We have to go online and type website. You can see now fordradio.codes. Let's go. Here we can see radio unlock. Now I type my serial number from radio. Press this arrow. My code is 232356. That's it. Now I will try to type it and have a look if it's correct. 2 3 5 6. Yeah, and press 5. That's it. Radio code unlocked. Thank you for watching.